What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all about the camera settings of your device Infinix Zero 30. But before we talk about that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video.